Like the Flash, time to zoom. Hi everyone, welcome back to another Scotty Karate video. Today we're going to be going over how to set up a Zoom meeting. Now if you're wanting to set up a class for your students to have an actual formal class, or if you're a student yourself just trying to do a hangout with some other students to either train, practice, or just have some fun. Camaraderie is important, especially when we're in quarantine and stuck right now, but don't fret. Zoom is free and you can set up the meeting yourself. So today I'll be going over some simple things to get you started and get you going. So you can, after watching this video, set up your first meeting and get zooming. Alright, to get things started off, all we have to do is open up our internet browser and go to any internet search engine you like and type in Zoom. First one that pops up, zoom.us, should be the one we're using. There is a sign in and a sign up at the top right. If you haven't signed up before, this is where you do it. It's free. If you have already signed up, you sign in there. Once you're into your account, off to the left you'll see meetings and then schedule new meeting. That's all you have to do to set up a meeting. It'll walk through, you set up your topic and then a description. These are both just something you put in there to let the people that you're sending the invitation to know exactly what's going on or what the meeting is for. So make it specific, and I like to make it a little fun. Once you have that, you go down here to the when. So this is your date and time. So you want to set it specifically what time you want the meeting to start. It defaults to an hour, and you'll notice here that if you have a free account, it does only allow you 40 minutes. When we go down here to meeting ID, you generate automatically. You can always do that, and meeting password. Password, you can always remain, or you can get rid of it. When you get rid of it, all you do is click the checkbox and it gets rid of it. Then you go down to save and save it. And that allows that meeting to be saved in your profile. Now you get this message here, and as you go across, you have your times to let you know what different ways you can use, or like what I want to do here, you can just go down here to join URL and copy it. Brings up the little menu here, gives you a little basic information. Just copy it, and then you open up your email, any email you'd like, and that's how we're going to send it. So you have a few options there. You got Google Calendar, you got Outlook, you got Yahoo Calendar, or what we're going to do just now, join URL, copy it, and open up our email. So let's open up our email. And we're going to send it to the people we want to join in on this meeting. So just type in their email addresses there. I'm going to send this one to Kyle and Princess Rainbow Sparkles. So just put their information there, make your subject, make it fun. Let's do karate time. And then paste. And that's all you have to do. And then send. Once you send your invitation, all you have to do is paste in the URL code into your internet browser, and it'll pop this up. If you haven't downloaded it, it'll ask you to download. If you have, you just open it. Once you open it up, it'll bring up the browser window and ask you to use your audio. Now this will use your default mic and speakers. So if you don't have one, make sure you have these. If you do, it'll automatically use those. And then we start our application. So you'll notice here I already have someone waiting. Looks like Kyle's ready to go in. So let's do this. Click admit and we're ready. All right. Hey, good to see you. It's been a while.
Yeah, I'm here.
Hey, it looks like you got in okay, but I can't see or hear you. Can you unmute yourself? There should be a mic icon at the bottom left of your screen that says unmute. Can you hit that for me? Okay, can you hear me now? Yeah, sure can. How about you, Kyle?
Yeah.
Alrighty then. Well, we can hear you, but we still need to be able to see you. Can you go ahead and turn your screen on so I can see you? Oh, sure. How do I do that again? Yeah. There's a button on the bottom left next to your mic button that should say video. Go ahead and click that for me. Aha! I have arrived! Alright. right. Well, with that, let's get this session started. So that's it. That's all there is to it to set everything up and start Zoom. Now, if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell in the corner so you know when my videos are posted each week. And as always, the more you train, easier the fight.